Alright, good morning students. Want to welcome you all to our technical joint class for today. This is Shawn Myers from York Castle High, and I'll be teaching full 5 technical joint. And I really hope that all of you are safe, and by now all should have your instruments for class, your compass, your set squares, your tape already, line and bordered and everything. Now our topic of discussion for today is going to be angles. So we're going to be drawing various angles. We're going to be teaching you how to go about constructing those. But before we move into our topic of discussion, we're going to be talking about how we go about dividing a straight line into a number of equal parts. Because there are some principles that you need to learn, before we can move on to that topic of angles. So let us look at our straight line. So this is our straight line. Our straight line is AB. And let us say that AB is equal to 60 millimeters. Now we're going to be dividing our straight line AB into a number of equal parts. So first thing that we're going to be doing, students, is that at A, we're going to be putting a line at a particular angle of your choosing. So you're going to be choosing that angle. So I just choose a suitable angle that I'm going to be putting my line there. Now, having done that, I want to determine now how many divisions are we going to be making on this line. Let us say that we're going to be using 5 divisions. We're going to be dividing this line AB into 5 equal parts. So I get my compass, I open to a suitable radius, and then I will go at A, and on this line that we have drawn in construction line, then we're going to be taking off our 5 divisions. Alright, and then now we're going to be numbering it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are 5 divisions. Now an important thing to note, now students, is that having done that, I want to now join 5 to B. That would be the end of the line. So 5 to B. So that line there now, students, holds the key to everything that we're going to be doing. Now we have a procedure that is called sliding of our set squares. Sliding of our set squares. Now we're going to be sliding our set squares. Now, in order for us to slide our set squares, then we need to use one set square to copy our line. We need to use one set square to copy our line. And then we need another set square now that will actually copy our tract. Are we clear? So one set square to copy our line, one set square that will form a tract. Now if you notice that the set square that we have currently on the board, that is the one that actually copies our line. Now this set square, this already copies our line. Now we want to ensure that this one now is the one that actually is on our track. Now we can move any set square at a particular period in time, but you can never move both set squares. So you can just move one set square at a time. So notice my tract is there, so I can easily just put back my set square there, and notice it still copies my line. Now I will slide my set square to 4 without adjusting the one that is copying my tract, and I will draw a line there at 4. I will slide the set square to 3. I can move my tract, and then now I will draw another line. I can now move to a more comfortable location, and from there, I can slide my set square to 2, and then I continue now to slide 1. So this is the principle of sliding my set squares. So just to recap what I've just done in terms of sliding set square, students, I use one set square to copy my line. I use the other set square that is going to be forming what is called my tract. So my set square is sliding along that one. Alright? And then now I draw my lines at 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now having done that, if you notice we have equal divisions. And that is the key. But I have not yet divided my line. I'm going to now get get back my T-square. So what I'm going to be doing from there is that I'm going to be putting some verticals. So where my line touch my AB line, I'm going to be putting my verticals there. Alright, so if you notice now students, I have just divided my AB line, which is 60 millimeters, into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. So this is the principle as to how you go about dividing a straight line into any number of equal parts.